just received this fire pit by East Oak for our review, and I'm really excited. And actually, I have to be honest, we've tried it a bunch because we really enjoy it, especially at night. And check this out. This is all it comes with. So we've got that little chimney, but let's start with the beginning. Comes with a nice little silicone pad that I really enjoy because then it's not scratching any type of surface. You just put that on there and it's anti-slip as well. So let's put the actual structure, the main structure. And this is where all the junk, all that dirt, all of that dust will eventually end up, and it's super easy to just clean and throw away. I'm just gonna end up like that. And here is the chimney. The chimney provides 135% more aeration. What does that mean? It is a smokeless burn. Of course, when you first use, obviously for wood, because it can be used with pellets, but if you use wood at first, it will create a little bit of smoke. But once that flame is settled, once that fire pit is going, it is super nice, a really nice blue flame, and it does not create any type of smoke. So there it goes, right in the middle. So you would have the pellets all around. I'm gonna put a little fire starter just to help it out. And you've got that nice rim at the top, of course, that you can, just to kind of like make everything blend together, and also to protect it or to impede it from smoking even more. So there you go. We're gonna nice start. There you go, just like that. And then like you would, of course, like I said previously, you can use pellets, you can use firewood. We love firewood because, of course, got that nice smell, that nice atmosphere, the nice ambiance. It's really, really cool to use when you want to do some s'mores at home, camping. Very easy to carry around and transport. It actually comes with a little bag, a little pouch, so you can put it away and just enjoy it anywhere you want, and kind of like keep it all together like this right here. It's really nice. And then when I'm done, of course, put that on top. As you can see right now, it is smoking. The wood is kind of wet, and of course it's getting there. But instantaneously, you'll see by the magic of the video, you'll see what it actually looks like when it's started and looking great. We're gonna turn off the lights, and we're gonna let you enjoy. We are absolutely huge fans of this incredible fire pit. Super portable, and I mean, really cool to look at too. Really nice design.